I'm a boomer. Of course, my preferred screen time is the big one, in 4K, against the wall.
I'm a supermodel. Of course I get to wear designer clothes.
I am a rapper, Frida Amani. Of course, I'm great with the mic like I invented it.
And I'm a member of Gen X, so of course I'm pessimistic and over it and cynical.
I'm a working mother, so of course I don't answer phone calls when I'm with my son.
But I'm also Generation Restoration.
But I'm also Generation Restoration.
I'm also Generation Restoration.
I'm a key supporter in Generation Restoration.
So of course I am inspiring people to become environmental protectors.
Using my rhymes
To help raise awareness about the climate crisis.
让更多的人关注环境问题。
So of course, it is up to all of us to take action.
We are Generation Restoration.
Somos Generación Restauración.
We are Generation
Restoration.
I'm asking everyone to join the movement to restore our planet. We are Generation Restoration.